They tell me my condition is incurable.
Yeah.
They tell me that I need to take these drugs to numb the pain. It's days like this, I just wish that I could rewrite my history, but I must live with my mistakes.
I've just been so depressed lately, so bummed out and no reason why. I know it's a given feeling and not entirely. All I wanna do is sit and cry. Feel my tears slowly crawl down my face. I don't wanna do anything anymore, not even smile. Inside I can't help but feel ashamed and disgrace. I know I'm sad, I'll skip the first step. There's no point in denial. I have nothing here for me, nothing to lose, man. I'm so lost in my head, I don't know what to do. Happiness avoids me with hatred and pain. I'm at a quiet roost, depressed emotions are coming over me in sleuths. I think I'm going to just give up. I mean, if I try and hang on, I won't gain a thing. My life is a circle that's repeatedly fucked up.
They tell me my condition is incurable. They tell me that I need to take these drugs to numb the pain. It's days like this, I just wish that I could rewrite my history, but I must live with my mistakes.
I can't shake this feeling no matter how I try, just cling. I can't help but just sit here and vibe, man. And all this isn't pro, it's not about a dude named Stan, but still a sad story how life just goes by. We all have a time limit, a time and place that we die. I can't shake that feeling that I'm here for nothing. I ain't good at anything, I'm always in shit. I always wake up in the night feeling that's like sin. So I think this guy's I'm done, I quit. Cause I just wanna wait till it goes black to blue, cause that's when my happiness comes true. Yeah, I just wanna be happy all the time. That's what I'm searching for every single day. Just trying to stay on my grind, cause I'm gonna rap all the time so you guys can hear my story.
They tell me my condition is incurable. They tell me that I need to take these drugs to numb the pain. It's days like this, I just wish that I could rewrite my history, but I must live with my mistakes.